Our rooms are minimum $2,000. Our penthouse is $13,000, she said. Let me power you within. Hi, Kia ora. I'm Celine, an IT consultant, a corporate and business intuitive, a well-being mentor, and a governance and crisis advisor. And I'm going to share a story with you on intuition. Recently, a few months ago, some of you may have seen that I had a photo shoot, which was for my corporate website and content. I hadn't planned to have one yet. I love spontaneity in my life. I was in beautiful Queenstown and I had found a photographer and hair and makeup artist. I needed a corporate venue and was after luxury at an affordable price. None of the shared offers were working out for one reason or another. Walking through the street of Queenstown, New Zealand, I got an insight to enter this high-end gallery. I love art, but I knew I wasn't here to buy. This friendly woman welcomed me and we got into a conversation on intuition. I asked her what other venue she would recommend, and she told me of a hotel to try, saying there are friendly people there. I chose not to Google the hotel and trust walking there. On entering, I sensed such a sense of luxury and was introduced to the marketing manager. She was straight away open to holding a photo shoot in the hotel. On the way to the room she had in mind, I asked, how much do you charge per night? Our rooms are minimum $2,000. Our penthouse is $13,000, she said. In my head, I was a little horrified of what the venue could cost me. She gave me such an offer I could not refuse. All it took was to follow a feeling, and I got a better venue than I could have ever hoped for. That amazing venue reflected the corporate essence I was after. If I had followed my logic, I would have Googled the hotel and never entered based on price. What if we could work together and I could give you results you didn't think were achievable?